product iron out this powder form. It's a rust stain remover. I use it regularly. I got well water here at the shop. Often the toilet looks like this. So I've already started a small application. You can kind of see that it's starting to turn white there. But I mean, literally, you just need to put a touch up in there. Let it sit. It does its work quickly. There really is no trick to it at all. It just works. So there's the change. It only took a few minutes to get to those results. Now if I want to, I can just go in and clean it up. And you have a white toilet bowl.